Bringing natural light inward and allowing it to dance internally throughout the day, River of Life is deeply connected within its natural setting. As a testament to sustainable living and the need for the notion of the home to be a place of refuge for the owners, the entirely new build occupies its site with both a restrained and intentional philosophy. Focusing on an overall light composition and feel, the sum of its parts creates a calm place to both disengage and restore. The robustness of the base materials also offers a balance to the overall lightness, grounding the home. Across the site, contrasting lines and gestures come together. A curved entry void welcomes guests in an ushering motion, leading into a sunken living area where custom concrete steps soften the transition downward. Opening outward, the immediate garden and entertaining spaces become an extension of the living room. Outdoors, the landscape unfolds as a considered and curated canvas. Able to be adapted to suit differing ages and functions, the flexibility in the planning is ideal for the anticipated years to come and the need to allow for separation and togetherness. Integrated amongst the architectural elements and the hard and soft plantings, the pool becomes an invitation to relax and reflect, pausing within the garden space. From the defined architectural line work to the sustainable features integrated throughout, a deep reverence for the land and a commitment to attuned coastal living is apparent and celebrated. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.